Very good morning, students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our science period. Children, this session I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, Environmental Management. Okay. So before that, can you say, children, what is meant by environment? Yes, environment means we are living on the earth, isn't it? It includes what? Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So what is meant by environmental management? Can you say? Children, see here, it means it is a systematic approach. That means environmental management means it is a systematic approach to finding practical ways for saving water, energy and materials. Okay, so environmental management means it is a systematic approach to find a practical ways for, yes, saving water, energy. That means natural resources we are getting from our environment. So that natural resources how we have to save, and reducing negative environmental impacts means, for example, disaster and, can you say, that pollution. These are what example of that negative environmental impacts. So these things how we got to reduce, that is called what? Environmental management. Okay, so environmental management means it is a systematic approach to finding a practical ways for saving the natural resources and reducing negative environmental impacts. For example, that, yes, I told disaster, and next one is what? Pollution. Okay, children. So I hope you understood now what is meant by environmental management. Yes. See here, children, these are the content outline. Okay, content outline of this chapter is weather and climate. That means we are going to discuss these all points. Okay, weather and climate. Next one is meteorology, and next one is solid waste management, and next one is disaster management. So we will see one by one. Okay, first one is what? Weather and climate. Okay, children. So can you say what is meant by weather and climate? Yes, normally in generally we are saying that weather and climate, it is the same thing, isn't it? But exactly these two are the different concept we will discuss now. Okay, children, shall I start now? First one is, say here, weather and climate. Weather means it is the atmospheric conditions. Weather means what? It is the atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place. So at that specific time in a particular place, what is the atmospheric conditions? That is called what? Weather. Okay, can you say once again? Yes, weather is the atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place. Okay, then what is meant by climate? See here, children. Climate means whereas the average daily readings of the various, see here, children, average daily readings of various weather related parameters recorded for several years is known as the climate. Okay, so now I hope you understood now what is meant by weather and what is meant by climate. Climate, say here, the average daily readings of various weather related parameters recorded for several years. Recorded for several years, that is what known as the climate. Okay, so climate is the predominant condition of the atmosphere. It is the one of the important point of our atmosphere, which is long term. Okay, understood now what is meant by weather and what is meant by climate here? Yes, shall we go to next now, children? So children, we discussed about the definition of weather and climate. Now we are going to see about that weather related climatic factors. Okay, some of the weather related climatic conditions are given here. That is atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, you know that meaning of humidity, and rainfall, visibility, and next one is temperature. These are the factors, the climatic factors that is related about weathers. Okay, can you say once again? Atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, rainfall, visibility and temperature. Okay, next one is, see here, children, changes in weather. Yes, climate does not change continuously. It is a long-term process, isn't it? That climate does not change continuously. Climate is that which remains constant in a region for a long duration. Isn't it, children? Yes, climate is that remain constant in a region for a long duration. Okay, but weather is, see here that weather is related to a specific location and specific time, whereas climate is related to a longer duration and larger area. Understood, children? Weather is what? Weather is related to a specific location and specific time. Okay, but at the same time climate is what? Climate is related to the longer duration and larger area. So I hope you understood now exactly that clear meaning about weather and climate. Yes, shall I go to next one? That next point is what? See here, changes in the weather may occur for short periods of time, whereas changes in climate takes place slowly over a much longer duration. So children, if I ask question about the differentiate between weather and climate, you can write these points. Okay, see here, one second, I will read. Changes in the weather may occur for short periods of time. Okay, that means atmospheric conditions, whereas changes in climate takes place slowly at the same time over a much longer duration. Okay, shall I go to next one? See here, children, what is the important role of climate in our day-to-day life? So that climate is one of the important thing in our day-to-day life. So how it is? We will see one by one. See here, first point here I have given, climate has a crucial role, that means important role to play in our day-to-day life. How it is? See here, influencing our basic needs such as food, clothing and shelter, as well as our occupations. Okay, so that climate is the one of the important role to play our day-to-day life. That climate only influencing our basic needs such as food, clothing and shelter, as well as our occupations. Okay, it is especially significant for an, yes, see here, agrarian countries such as India, that means where that farm, yes. So children, see here, first point is what? Yes, that climate only influencing our basic needs such as food, clothing and shelter, isn't it? That means that in South India, that is main food is what? Rice, but in North India, that is wheat. So how it is? Yes, that climate is different in south side and north side. So south side, that climate is suitable for to grow, yes, rice plant, and at the same time north side, that climate is suitable to grow, cultivate that, which this one, yes, wheat. So that, see here children, that's why we are saying that climate is one of the important role in our day-to-day life. So it influencing our basic needs such as food, clothing and shelter, as well as our occupations. Okay, and second point is what? It is especially significant for an, yes, what is meant by agrarian country? Which country? That farming occupation is the important one, that is called what? Agrarian country such as India. That best example is what? Agrarian country, it is India. Yes, in our India, that farming, that occupation is one of the important thing. At the same time, it is, yes, large amount of area also, land also we are having, isn't it children? Yes. Next one is, see here, meanwhile the climatic factors such as temperature, the speed and direction of wind, atmospheric pressure and so on influence the construction of runways, seaports, yes, next one is huge bridges and skyscrapers, etc. Understood now? Yes, see here children, the climatic factors such as temperature, already I told that weather related climatic factors, that is temperature, the speed and direction of wind, atmospheric pressure. So it influences the construction of runways, seaports, and next one is huge bridges and skyscrapers, etc. Okay, this is another one of the important point. Next one is, see here. So children, we discussed about weather and climate, what is the climatic factors, and the next one is the differentiate between weather and climate, isn't it? And now we are going to discuss about meteorology. That means that meteorology, it is a branch of science. This science that studies the interrelationship between See here, interrelationship between the various components of air. You know that various components of air and natural cycles. Natural cycles means oxygen cycle, carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. And geological movements of the earth and climate is called what? Meteorology. Okay children, so now we will discuss about that meteorology. That means this is what it is, a branch of science. This science deals the interrelationship between the various components of air. Next one is what? Natural cycles, geological movements of the earth and climate is called what? Meteorology. Okay, understood now? Next one is, see here, yes, that which day is observed as World Meteorological Day. See here children, 23rd March. Okay, 23rd March is celebrated as World Meteorological Day. See here, next one is that one of the important thing, that is observatories. What is meant by observatories? During the process of determining the climate of a specific region, a review of the earlier studies about the several aspects of the climate is considered as, yes, crucial. That means important thing. So children, see here, while determining the climate of a specific region, a review of the earlier studies about the several aspects of the climate, it is one of the important thing. Okay, so see here, a large number of countries across the world have set up meteorology departments to make these observations and to record them. So here observation is one of the important thing. Then only we can predict about the climate. Okay, so these departments have observatories equipped with modern instrument and technology. So this is called what? Observatories. That means a large number of countries across the world have set up meteorology departments to make these observations. So that observation is one of the important thing, that is it should be marked. Okay, so these observations and to record them. So these departments have what? Observatories equipped with modern instrument and technology. Next one is, see here, if present climatic conditions are analyzed with reference to the past climatic conditions, we can predict climatic changes of the future. So if you want to get a details about the future climatic changes, which details we want? Yes, the climatic changes of present and past. It is very important thing. Then only we can predict the future climatic changes. Okay children, so however, as climate is the net result of a complex mixture of various atmospheric factors, forecasting it is very complicated. Forecasting means what? Prediction. Okay, forecasting it is very complicated and difficult. See here children, climate is the net result. You know that what is meant by climate? It is the rest, yes, it is the net result of a complex mixture of various atmospheric factors. So forecasting it is very complicated and difficult. Okay, so forecasting is easy for places where climatic changes are slow and are limited in nature. So in which place the climatic changes are slow and it is that constant, that in that place forecasting of weather it is easy. Okay, so however, where climatic changes are complex, see here children, interdependent and rapid, so that place that making forecast is very difficult. So in which place that forecasting is very easy? Yes, in which place the climatic changes is slow and limited in nature. So in which place the forecasting is very complicated, it's very difficult. Yes, the region which one is having the climatic changes are complex, yes, interdependent and rapid. The climatic changes are, yes, rapid, doing rapidly. So in that place that forecasting is very difficult. Understood now? So see here children. So children, that observation is one of the important thing to predict our future climatic changes. Okay, so for that we want present and past climatic changes. So that thing we have to observe and we have to do that observations. Okay, so for that many equipment is there, and at the same time that meteorology department is doing that work. Okay children, then only we can predict the future climatic changes. Understood now? So children, this session we discussed about what is meant by weather and climate, and what are the definition and what are the differentiate between that weather and climate. That also we studied. Next one is some of the climatic factors that is related to our weather. That also we discussed. Next one is changes in weather. Okay, here we discussed about the differentiate between weather and climate. And the last one is what? Yes, meteorology. In that what we discussed, observatories. Understood children? Yes, I hope you understood today's session. Yes, thank you children. Sai Ram.